Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other Faucet website. You can claim 25 cryptocurrency from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch this video until end. Okay, this is the website. Okay, sorry, 24 type of cryptocurrency you can earn from this website. Okay, this is the website. You can complete task, mining, game, and you can referral commission, instant withdrawal. This website pay to your Faucet pay or your balance. This much Faucet claim, this much user register days online. 3 years ago this website worked 100%, and this is the all cryptocurrency you can earn from this website. Okay, the first this website link in description. Just click sign up. You can put your username, password, email, and just like that, and you can create an account. Okay, I have already account. About that, I click login to login myself. Okay, I self-related capture. This is stairs. Just click verify, just click sign in, and you can see my level is 12. I level up, and this website pay me a bonus. Okay, this is all cryptocurrency you can withdraw. If you watch some ads or advertisement on, you can go to Clime. The first one is a free token. Free token, you have short links, mining, offer walls, daily bonus. Daily bonus is not available right now. The offer walls is available. You can complete offer walls and you can earn much more from the offer walls. Okay, just I go to some of offer walls. You can see this websites pay you much more. Okay, just get paid to watch a video. Okay, this some offer wall just watching a video, YouTube video you can get. Okay, get paid for every 10 YouTube video you watch. Desktop only with the Chrome browser. Video can play back the background. Possibly click the below, just click it, the video will be running background. Okay, this is the website to show you. Watch the 1 minute video of how to it's work. Just watch this video, and this video tell you how it's work. Okay, the next step, you can go to just like beat walls. You can claim beat walls. Just I click, wait a second, reload, show me. This is a beat wall. Just watching some hats from here, and you can earn. Okay, this visit the website. This is all the website you can visit. Every day you come back and visit this website, and this website pay you much more. FCT, if you earn much more FCT, you can easily convert it to any cryptocurrency you want. Okay, if you click this one, just watch this has 30 seconds. Okay, this is a bet wall. Watch this advertisement for 30 seconds, and you can earn your 50 FCT, and that was fantastic. I pause the video until end. Okay, solve this letter capture, and you earn your 50, but this website told me this page is no longer available with some of condition. Okay, you can watch another one. This is all offer walls is for you. The next one is short links. You can visit a short links and you can earn tokens, and you can convert tokens to any cryptocurrency you want. Okay, if you watch this ads, pay you 90 FCT tokens, and you can convert it and you can withdraw. Okay, how you can convert your tokens? Go to exchange. Okay, this is exchange. Sorry, go to withdraw, and how much tokens you have, you can just want to change it. Okay, this is not available any cryptocurrency. Go to Faucet, 2-time Faucet app, manual or urdu. Manual is very soon converted. You have tokens? Yes, I have. Just I want to convert it to Litecoin. Just click maximum 10 tokens I have, this much Litecoin I earn, and this much Litecoin is the bonus. Just solve this capture, big out, and just click and converted my tokens. Go to withdraw. This much Litecoin I have, just click withdraw, and you can withdraw your Litecoin to Faucet Pay. Click Faucet Pay. Email address, my email address, just click solve capture, just type my better health. Okay, and just click withdraw, and this website pay you 100% free and instantly without any wasting time. This website pay you your Faucet, okay, to your Faucet Pay account. If you work too much in here, you can earn much more from this website. Okay, just if you watch all of these short links and if you complete all of the offer walls, you can available links is this much. You can earn much more free FCT, and you can convert it, and you can be able to earn maybe 1 Litecoin per day if you complete all of these. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, register yourself. Bye bye for now.